The engine light can come on if the gas cap is loose. So tighten it up, and the engine light should clear within a day if that's the problem. If your engine light is on, you can go to Advanced Auto or AutoZone to have them check it for free and give you the codes. I just purchased a cheap scan tool so I can do it myself. This is a cheap code reader I picked up. It has an OBD2 connector. Now the OBD2 connector is down here. Now turn the car on once again. And we'll see what the codes are. And these are the codes you find. P0302, cylinder 2 misfire. P0303, cylinder 3 misfire. 0304, P0305, P0306, and P0300. You can look these codes up on YouTube to find a solution to the problem typically. So this is actually a pandemic problem. The car hasn't been driven enough and the battery is low in voltage, causing these misfires. So I'm just going to clear all the codes and recharge the battery. And magically, a day later, the engine light is out. Usually, the light goes out immediately,